Welcome to this practical tutorial on how to enable vibrations on your iPhone. Vibration is a simple yet highly useful way to receive notifications and alerts when sound is not available or when you want to discreetly notify the user of an incoming message or call. Activating vibration on your iPhone is easy and quick. Whether you are a new Apple device user or simply unsure about how to properly set up vibration, this guide will take you through the process of adjusting vibration settings on your iPhone. Step by step. In addition to showing you how to enable basic vibration, we will also provide insight into additional options and customizations that allow you to tailor vibration for different types of notifications. The first step is to open Settings on your phone. After that, you will see the option Sounds and Haptics here. Click on it. Now, keep in mind that every vibration on your phone is called haptics. Apple refers to it as haptic feedback. So, if you swipe down, you can see several different options you can enable. One of them is keyboard feedback. Tap on that option and turn on haptics, which means every time you type on the keyboard, you'll receive a subtle vibration as feedback. Additionally, you can enable play haptics in ring mode and play haptics in silent mode, which means the haptic feedback will be used regardless of whether your phone is set to ring or silent mode. Finally, we have the System Haptics Vibration option, which indicates that haptic feedback will be used for system controls and interactions. When this option is turned on, every regular action you perform on your iPhone, such as navigating between menus or toggling options on and off, will be accompanied by a gentle vibration as feedback. I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.